A Walmart employee thought one simple trick would save him thousands of dollars, but he had no idea every move was being recorded. Surveillance cameras, digital receipts, and one critical mistake exposed the entire scheme. What started as a normal workday ended with handcuffs, a police interrogation, and felony charges.
In regards to a employee who is
defrauding.
okay, so just tell me what happened.
So what happened was on the 5th of April. He came work at 6 something in the morning. He went in the back room where there was all the tires, and he was fixing the tires. Then he went to the oil. He took the tires from the tires room and went to the oil room and staged the tires there.
In what room?
In the oil room.
Oil room?
Yeah, he staged the tires, and around approximately 8:40, 8:50 around this time, he had the customer that came in, and from what he told me that person was his brother, but I don't know. That's what he told me, that's his brother.
So you said customer came in?
Yeah, the customer came in. He loaded the 20 tires in the truck. Then he made the customer come back inside the store and pay for the tires. And he put all the 20 tires at $20.
Okay.
And then that's when the team lead informed me that there's a transaction that was made, but he don't know if the customer paid the full price for the items. So we have something that called a smart system. I went over the smart system and I was able to retrieve the receipt. And it showed that he went in the cash register and changed the price of the items.
Okay. You checked the smart system, you said?
Yeah, smart system.
And discovered it was changed?
Yeah, it showed that he manually input the prices. Because normally for you to do those, for you to do the price override, you need a coach or team lead permission to it.
And is he a coach or team leader?
No,
Why he could maybe?
he's a regular
So
associate.
how did he have the code?
So what he did he put item looks up. So when he put the item looks up, it let him do it without the team or the coach.
Okay.
So that's what he did.
Okay. So that was the first time?
Yeah, that was the first time. Then
Hold on 1 second. And where did this truck park?
so he parked the truck behind the building.
So the truck was behind the building?
Yes.
And who loaded the truck?
So him and the other guy loaded the truck. So he pushed the exit door. Then he started giving the person the tires.
And how do you know that it's 20 tires?
We count the tires. And
On the video?
On the video, we count the tires. It was 16, and the team lead said that he take a real pictures and he count how many tires. And he said it was 20 tires, and we also did inventory.
Okay, through inventory.
To inventory, we see that we started 16, but to inventory showed us it was 20, and also the team lead saw physically how many tires.
Now who's this team leader?
His name is Greg.
Greg?
Yeah.
Is Greg here today?
I think so. I'm not sure.
Okay, all right. I'll get Greg after this. So, okay, boom. So,
Put 12 tires.
okay, he knows nothing about this.
He don't know nothing about it.
Okay, we want to make sure that so he doesn't bail out or. Yeah, we're gonna do it all here. Hey, boom. Hey, what's going on?
To kind of hear your side of the story.
What's up, bud?
What's up?
All right. All right.
Good.
All right.
How are you?
So I can't, even if I make a statement, I can't defend my case?
You can defend your case, yeah.
If I'm being terminated.
Yes, sir.
So how can I make a statement?
Like me and April just told you, if you want to open door your termination, then you have 100% right to do that. You can either come back and ask to speak to the market HR, or you can call Google Walmart Ethics and they'll give you that phone number to open door termination.
But then I'm just fired regardless.
So they could overturn it, they could not. But I'm just saying what are facts of our investigation. Right? We have everything detailed lined up, and we just bring associates in to figure out what caused this to happen.
Okay.
Right? And that's why we came to talk to you, to figure out what caused this to happen.
Okay.
Okay?
So even no matter what I just told you, I was going to get fired regardless while working in here?
Correct. So everything else is going to be between April and these two gentlemen here, okay?
Alright, that's fine.
I appreciate you coming to talk to me, though.
Yeah, it's just, I wish I had just time to even remember just anything or to the source.
How you doing, man? All right. Mr. Flores.
Yeah.
Hey, you can stay seated, man. I'm Officer Daly with the police department.
Yeah.
Of course, you know why we're here. It's no secret, all right? But before I get into anything, I'm going to read your rights, all right?
Okay.
Rights against self-discrimination. Everyone is entitled to that. You have one on you?
Yeah.
All right. So my partner here is going to read your rights. And I'm going to ask you a few questions and talk to you about the investigation, okay?
Okay.
It's best that you be honest with us because we already have everything. I'm not going to ask you questions if I don't know the answer.
Okay.
But that's just going to see your honesty with you and where you lie and how this goes.
Okay.
All right? So if I ask you a question, it's because I already know.
Okay.
All right? And this isn't my first time coming across this with
Okay.
you. All right? Yeah, well, in this
Oh,
whole
okay.
situation.
Okay,
All
I
right?
thought you know me from
Yeah,
previous.
no. But if I'm talking to you, it's because I have knowledge of what's going on. So if you're lying for me from the jump, I'll already know, and it just makes it worse. All right?
Okay.
And we want this to be smooth as possible.
All right.
All right? No, go
All right,
ahead.
so I'm going to go through this line by line, and after every line, you just advise to me that you understand these rights.
Okay.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand? You got it.
Oh, yeah.
I understand.
I understand.
Do you know why we're here?
I'm assuming for this case, the following up.
Which is what?
The tires.
Okay, so tell me about that.
Like I said, the hoodie guy come up to me. I was gonna toss.
You haven't told me anything yet, so
Oh.
yeah. So
Okay.
I need to hear from you what
So the
transpired.
hoodie guy comes up to me, says, "Hey, you happen to have some clearance?" I'm like, "Yeah, I have some, but I have other work to do. But just give me a second, and I can pursue that." Just kind of go from there, make a transaction for him. Comes up, load up his tires, and then You want me to give you a whole breakdown, or?
You remember when I said that if I'm gonna ask you a question, it's because I already know the answers, right?
Yeah.
So don't bullshit me, okay?
Okay.
So once again, tell me detail by detail what happened, other than some random hoodie guy, because we knew it wasn't a random hoodie guy.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
So let's not play me. All right? I just didn't start this job yesterday, son.
All right then. I think I don't want to make any statements.
Okay. All right. Well, stand up, put your hand behind your back. You're going to be placed under arrest. Turn your hand. Turn your wrist. There you go. All right. Don't want to make it tight on you, all right?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have any weapons on you or anything like that? Knives, guns, needles, anything that'll poke me? No? All right. That's the phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you drive here?
Yes, I drove here.
Okay. What keys do you have? Where's your keys?
The keys are in the shop.
What kind of vehicle is it?
23 Ford Mustang.
Okay, all right. It's parked here,
It's
so
parked
I'm sure they can, they'll leave your vehicle parked here. Okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right. Okay. Are those their glasses? Their work glasses?
Yeah, the work glasses.
Okay. I'm gonna. Hey guys, there's or not? There's work glasses. That's for you guys. All right. You got them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this way.
Hey, just secure them in your vehicle. I'm gonna just talk to them real quick. All right. So what did he divulge to you guys?
So he admit price overriding the tires,
Okay.
but he's stating that he don't think that he did anything wrong.
Okay.
See, that he pretty much remembered everything up until the point of
The
loading
tires being
tires
loaded in
in
his
his
truck.
in his own truck.
Yeah.
He doesn't remember that.
Yeah. Well, the truck comes back to his mom, Miss Flores. Did you guys see that the credit card that he used was his? It came back to him. So did he even?
He declined.
He's
that
like,
too.
oh, I don't remember. I have to check my statements
Okay.
and my text messages.
So when we got to the credit card piece and the vehicle piece,
Yeah.
that's when he started saying he
Yeah.
don't remember.
Well, he knows. That's why I told him. I looked at him. I was like, don't sit here. I'm not even gonna waste my time listening to your lies. So that's why he shut down, which is fine. We still have enough. You guys ID'd him. Only ID'd him from the video. We have the credit card that comes back to him. Him on video changing
The price.
him loading the truck and loading the tires out. It's more than enough.
He kind of gave me that copy.
Yeah.
I'm not taught. I know better than you.
Yeah.
Kind of vibe when I was talking to him.
Yeah.
And then wanted us to show him
Pictures and
pictures.
evidence.
Yeah.
Showing him
Yeah.
that